Alright, so here we are on day 2 of the ice storm. Monday. We're getting a big downpour of rain at the moment. You see it puddling up down there. The problem with this is, while we're getting a big downpour of rain, it is like 25 degrees out here. So this is going to turn into something real ugly real fast. So yeah, we'll see how ugly it gets. And welcome to my video. Okay, so I'm over here working on trying to upload the first video of this winter storm. But while I was in the process of doing that, I started hearing some stuff. And you can see the ice and sleet bouncing off the windshield, or the window, not the windshield, window. But it's icing. That tree right there scares me because it's in our power lines and it's really iced over. There's actually starting to be ice form on the power lines, so I'm kind of scared that we're gonna have a power outage here in a little bit, which is gonna stink. So that ice is getting bigger too. So anyway, Ice Apocalypse 2021, here we are. Whole lot of fun. And I know the camera's about 15 different levels of out of focus right now. So let's see. Oh yes, you can see it really good out here on the porch if the camera would ever want to focus. You can see all the white specks out there. Let me see if we can see through Colby's room. Yeah, the camera won't focus. Camera won't focus, so we're gonna have to move some stuff. There we go. Ouchies, ouchie, ouch. Getting hit with ice. Look at this. Look at all the ice in that tree. All this ice. Mississippi is officially closed at this point with this much ice. Up north, I know this is nothing. Down here in the south, everybody thinks they're gonna die. So, okay, so we're fixing to walk outside. It is still currently snowing and icing. We got about 1 inch of sleet at this point. Everything is solid ice right now. Yeah, it's bad. It's really bad. It's getting worse by the minute. It looks like snow, but this is all ice. It is sleeting so bad right now. There's ice. Icicles hanging everywhere. It's bad. A lot worse than I wanted it to be. So I don't know what all is going to come out of all this. But, yeah. Long story short, there's supposed to be a whole lot more ice coming. And I mean a whole lot more ice. You can see it just bouncing all off of me. It's hitting the camera. You can see it's just, it's ice. It's not snow, it's ice. And all the water that come in from the rain, it's all ice. Like this right here is just a solid block of ice, this whole area. Ice is coating the trees. Ice is coating the ground. This is more or less, you can see the trees are starting to freeze. The power lines are starting to freeze. A bunch of reports of power being out today. So yeah, I'm gonna shut this down and go inside. Alrighty, so it's 1:40 in the afternoon. We've got Madison playing Gunfire Reborn with us. Still got a lot of ice. More ice expected tonight, and so we may probably will not be going to work tomorrow. But power lines, we got ice on them, but it has stopped sleeting for at this moment. So I don't know what all we're gonna get into yet, but they're waiting on me. So I'm just gonna go back and see if we can actually beat the boss fight. We still haven't beat the boss fight yet. Okay, so we're outside. The icicles have grown. Problem is now the wind's kicking up. So with the wind kicking up, that's not good. Limbs are gonna break off and fall. And yeah, it just sucks. There's ice everywhere still. Just heard back from work. Basically tomorrow, everybody's on their own. If you can make it to work, good for you. If not, you're not coming in. So I guess we'll reevaluate in the morning, but as of right now, if it's like this, I'm not going in. And if it's worse, then absolutely not. If it's not this bad in the morning, I'll go in. But right now, if it stays like it is, that's a no-go. And if it gets worse, that's definitely a no-go. It's too cold for me out here. I'm going in. Okay, so this is the next morning. My boss called. We're not going to work today. The reason we're not going to work today is because it got worse last night. More ice, and then it snowed on top of the ice, and it's currently snowing right now. But even the snow, oh Jesus, that's frozen. Like my driveway is a gravel driveway, and it's frozen solid. Like there's no way. No way. I'm hearing a lot of weird cracking and booms out here today. I don't know what's up with all that. But yeah, everything's... The trees are frozen. I mean, it's bad. Still currently snowing. Got another snow and ice storm on the way. Oh yeah, the roads are solid. Road's a solid sheet of ice. Yeah, no. Even if they would have told us to come back today, I wouldn't have come back. Yeah. Road's a solid sheet of ice. Driveway's a solid sheet of ice. Tree limbs are a solid sheet of ice. What scares me is power lines are a solid sheet of ice as well. So it wouldn't surprise me if the power does not go out soon. So yeah, this is the new winter in Mississippi, I guess. Snow and ice. This is going to be fun. This is going to be a whole lot of fun. We're going to try to get in my truck and make it to the other side of town here in a little bit. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. So for an update, it is still currently snowing right now. Porch is ice. There's Charlie. Hey Charlie, dude. Cold, ain't it, buddy? So we got him a heated cat house set up on their back porch over there, but he knows if we're out, he wants to be out. So there's some of the snow accumulation so far this morning. Oh, Charlie has a friend. The ice is about 2 inches thick or 3 inches thick on the road. So, yeah, we're pretty well closing it down. As you can see, there's some of the icicles. That's covered in ice. The vehicles are covered in ice and snow. Everything's crunchy and ice covered, snow covered. Oh, there's Miss Squirt. There's Squirtle. Oh, there she comes. Hey, Squirt. That is, that's Miss Squirtle right there. So the wind's picking up. Snowflakes seem to be trying to increase in size, but yeah, it's just pitiful. We actually got thunder snow yesterday. This is what I wanted to come back here and look at. The size. That is literally, it broke. That was literally a foot long. You can see the trees are all mashed out and everything's iced and leaning over. So, yeah, been interesting. Don't know now. I don't know if we're even gonna get to work tomorrow because the way the snow is supposed to increase. So I don't know. I know one thing, after this ice storm 2021, I'm gonna definitely need, or I'm gonna definitely be out of vacation days. We'll just leave it at that. But I'll be out of vacation days after this ice storm passes. Yeah, everything's iced over. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and yeah, the snow's getting bigger. The cats are playing in the snow, and they're enjoying the snow. Miss Squirtle does not like the snow, so yeah, it's snowing more. Oh, yes. Can't really see that. So I'm trying to make it down my steps because my steps are ice. Just snowing. And it's going to do nothing but get harder and get worse. Super excited. So much fun. So if you want to see how much snow we get, you'll have to check on the next video. I'm going to end this one here. I know this one's been pretty uneventful compared to the last video where all the ice was falling. But, yeah. So anyway, like I said, if you want to see how the snow we get, or if we get any more ice, tune in on the next video. Thanks for watching.